Tanglewood Golf Course. May I help you?
Hi, I'm out at hole 6, and
Hole 6. Okay.
yeah, I just thought I'd let you know that a bird came around and had a diarrhea dump in the golf hole. So if you could just send someone out just to clean it out.
Where did it do it?
Funny enough, right in the hole, like hole in one.
Oh,
Isn't that crazy?
number 6?
I was looking. I know, I was looking down there. I'm lucky I didn't get a hole in one. I was about to putt it in, and I was looking there. There's diarrhea in there.
From a bird.
Well, yeah, it was definitely a bird. There was a few big birds I saw flying around. So,
All right, thanks.
yeah, if you just send someone out there just to clean it up.
Hello?
Lizzie, what's up?
Who?
What's going on, Lizzie?
Oh, I don't know who you're calling for. I think you have the wrong number.
Miss Stewart.
Oh, Stuart, yeah?
Hey, what's up? It's me, ķeanu
Who?
ķeanu.
I don't know you.
Miss Stewart?
Yeah? Didn't you just call a few minutes ago?
What? Was that the... Yeah, I think that was the same one.